Hey, this is Mark with AFT Construction. We're here at Worth the Wait, and we are standing in the primary bathroom, and we're going to take a look at what it takes to install just one piece of the giant slab that's going to be mounted on the side of the wall. It's going to be like a 5-foot by 9-foot piece of porcelain. It's going to weigh probably 200-300 pounds, so you'll see 5 guys muscling this thing in there. So stay tuned. There's a lot of detail that goes into not only fabricating this slab, but they gotta make all their cuts necessary before they put this thing in. They got the plumbing holes cut out. They gotta make sure they're super accurate with those. There's also notched out for the shower bench, and you'll notice the veins all run together in the slabs. So that's one thing they take into consideration when that's running through all the machines when they're fabricating these slabs. You can see the amount that it takes just to get this slab installed. They've got all their suction cups, which helps tremendously. That way they're able to, hustle and muscle this thing into that opening. So when they muscle this huge slab into the area where they're going to install it, you can see that they apply a thin layer of the tile set material on the back of the slab, and then they apply a thicker coat onto the already prepped wall. This helps the bonding of the slab to the wall. The wall is waterproofed prior to this installation, and you'll see how they get this huge slab into place and stuck to the wall. So here's some B-roll video of them actually lifting this huge slab into place and installing it on the wall. So thanks for joining us here at Worth the Wait. Stay tuned for more of the shower install. There's a lot more slab material that gets installed in there, and we're going to check some more of that out. Thanks for joining us.